within 12 hours in Alapi. Do you think that that there is a breakdown of law and order in the state?
I'm extremely sorry, very sad to know about these unfortunate, tragic incidents. I would say that anybody who tries to take law in his own hands actually they show it's it is erosion of democratic values. It is erosion of civilizational behavior. It is very unfortunate. After thousands of years, we found this way where we can have a system to have governments without shedding blood. And now for political reasons, if people are murdered, they lost their lives, then you can feel very sorry about it. And I would like to appeal to everybody, all parties concerned, please have faith in the system, have faith in democracy, have faith in civilized behavior. This is not the way. I'm very ashamed, not only sad, I feel ashamed that these things are happening in a society which is the most literate and aware society in the whole country. So we have to think about it. But I have come to know about it only in the morning when I was going to attend this program. So I have not read much details, but the news itself is so tragic.
Police system is failing in state.
I won't say that. Before jumping to the conclusions, we should wait and give them some time to investigate the matter and bring the culprits to and book the culprits. We should also have some patience. Yes.
Okay.
Anything else you want to
After
say?
the first murder, there will be a retaliation. So the intelligence failure, do you think something like that?
I do not know because I have not seen reports as yet. We will have to look into every aspect and we will have to ensure. What is the challenge before the government? The challenge is to restore the faith of the common man in the system, in the law enforcement machinery. We have to restore that. I'm saying that the moment somebody tries to take law in one's own hands, he is showing no confidence. So we have to, whatever we have to do, we will have to do to restore people's faith in the system. And also, I would request the media, please give some time to the law enforcement agencies, because it's not like magic. They will have to work it out, and they will have to find out who are the people. And I'm sure that they will bring all the culprits to book.
Sir, as the governor in the state, do you think, do you planning to call all the political leadership for a peace meeting?
First, let me see the reports, what is happening in the case, and in any case, I am appealing to all concerned, not only those who are in any way concerned with these two incidents, but everybody, every citizen, every person in the state. It is our duty to ensure that the peace in the society is maintained. It is absolutely essential. It is in our interest. It is in the interest of the society. Nothing can grow. No developmental activity can happen. No progress can happen if we are having this kind of lawlessness in this society.
So will you ask for a report on the.
I mean, that is the in the.
That's
It's
the-
not question of Home Minister. In the normal course, the report should come to me, and then definitely, and I'm very confident. I'm telling you, I'm very confident. The test of the law enforcement agency is that if something first, as you said, I think you said about the intelligence, first is to keep an eye on the developments and try to ensure that nothing like this happens. But if something like this happens, then the whole machinery of the government, the laws are in place. How the confidence is built? Confidence is built when you take swift action against those who indulge in such crimes. That is how confidence of the common man is built in the system. So, but for that, as I said earlier, I request you to give them some time. Yeah. Thank you very much.